If you're tired of nasty odors hitting you in the face every time you open your bin and washing your disgusting trash can has not stopped the smell from coming right back, then you need BagEZ. Clip on any trash bag to the frame and hang it in your bin using the raised edges that surround your container. And that's it. Now all you have to do is throw in anything yucky that can coat and cover your bin in filth and make it stink into it, while you use the large opening to dispose of your bagged household waste and clean trash like large boxes. The BagEZ system allows you to use your bin to its maximum capacity, while separating and isolating the nasty stuff that gets loose, makes it stink, and attracts flies, maggots, and animals. Now, if you're worried that your bag may leak or rip and let stuff out, you can always double or even triple bag it for peace of mind, but I recommend using a quality bag from a brand you trust. One 20-gallon bag has more than enough space to hold a week's worth of dirty diapers, pet and food waste, but if by chance it gets full, replacing it is easy. Simply pull off the clips to free the bag and seal it to lock everything nasty inside before putting on a new one. This method gives your bin 24/7 protection against dirt and grime that creates odors, with a bag that costs only a few cents. The average homeowner using BagEZ with 20-gallon bags keep their bins spotless for under $1 a month. The bin lid sticker reminds you to remove your BagEZ holder before placing your trash can at the curb for the garbage truck, which empties it and leaves behind a clean can with nothing gross stuck inside it. Protecting and keeping your trash cans clean has never been so easy. Elevate your waste management game with BagEZ.